Welcome to this video. Myself Mr. DK Lakhe, working as a lecturer in electrical engineering department. Today in this video we are going to learn about the different types of wiring diagram which are used in the electrical installation system. So after completion of this video, student will be able to understand the different types of wiring as per their application, understand the different types of wiring diagram as per their construction, and advantages and disadvantages of different wiring diagram. So types of wiring diagram as per their applications are staircase wiring, go down wiring, hospital wiring and tunnel wiring. So we'll see detail in one by one. So in this picture you are going to observe that there are one person which trying to walk through this stair. Okay, so we require the two different control from the different units. Okay, so for that purpose we are going to just switch 1 and switch 2. Here we are going to connect the lamp. In the next we'll see how this work. So in this wiring, this is used for the staircase purpose. In this wiring you are going to observe that we are going to use the two-way switches. So S1 and S2, these are the two-way switches. So in the wiring diagram or wiring connections are made as per this shown. So fuse is connected in the phase, okay, and the upper terminal is connected to the upper of switch S2, lower is connected to the lower of this S2, and the center terminal of S2 is connected to the L1, and from the secondary terminal of this lamp L is treated as the neutral. Okay, so this is the actual diagram of staircase wiring. Then in this figure we are going to observe the go down wiring diagram. Okay, so here again the fuse is connected in the phase. So for this purpose go down wiring we are going to use the single pole switch S1 and S2, S3 and S4. These are my three two-way switches. Okay, so from this connection the connections are made as shown in this diagram. Here we are going to observe we can control this lamp L1, L2 and L3 respectively. Okay, then this is the picture of our connection wiring circuit of hospital wiring. In this type of connection we are going to use the SPST switch, that is the single pole single through switch and single pole double through switch. Okay, so maybe this is treated as a two-way switch. Okay, so in this hospital wiring there are possibilities is there: lamp bright, lamp dim and lamp off. So these connections are made as per this shown. I have taken this image from the electricaltechnology.org website. Then this is the connection diagram for the tunnel wiring. In this tunnel wirings maybe this type of especially used in the railway wiring purpose point of view, we are going to observe one lamp will be on simultaneously and at the end all these lamps are step by step in the off position. So for that purpose we require the two-way switches. Now we'll see the type of wiring system as per their construction. So types of wiring systems are cleat wiring system, batten wiring, wooden casing capping, conduit wiring, metal conduit is there, concealed and casing capping. We'll see one by one in detail. So this is the representation of cleat wiring. In this cleat wiring we may use the two-way cleat or three-way cleat. So the type of wiring is adopted is dependent upon the various factors like durability, safety and appearance one. So cleat wiring purpose we require the material are VIR or PVC. VIR stands for the vulcanized India rubber or PVC is the polyvinyl chloride insulated wires. So weatherproof cables may be used. Some porcelain cleats or plastic cleats are also used, maybe of 2 or 3 grooves as shown in this picture, and screw is also required for the cleat wiring. Then procedure is that in this type of wiring VIR PVC insulated wires are braided and compounded on the wall or ceiling with the help of porcelain cleat. The wires can be weatherproof or simple wire laying is done in this type of wirings. Then in present day this kind of wiring is not recommended for the house of building, only for the temporary army camp or the festival related pandal this type of wiring is used. So now we'll see the advantages and disadvantages of cleat wiring. The cheap and easy wiring is there, easy to fault detection and easy to repair, alternation and addition is very easy. These are some advantages, but the disadvantage is that the bad appearance is there, exposed to weather to be affected by the humidity, rain, smoke and sunlight. Chances of shock is or fire is very more. Then especially these are used only for the low voltage ambient temperature purpose point of view. not long lasting, and sag will happen for this type of clit wiring. This is the picture of clit wiring. Here we are going to see this is the porcelain clit having a 3 groove. Okay, here are the 2 grooves are there, here 3 grooves are there. This is the picture. Then we'll see the next batten wiring. In this type of batten wiring, you are going to observe that one batten is provided, and over that batten we are going to use the cables, and these are to be placed or clipped with the help of this clip. Okay, so for the batten wiring, the material required are CTS or TRS cable, then straight thick wooden batten, tin brass link clips are used, and brass pins are used. So the procedure is that a group of single or double or 3 core cables are used to be laid on the straight thick wooden batten, and they are fixed with the help of buckle clips. Okay, buckle clips are to be fixed with the brass pin, and the wooden batten is at an interval of around 10 cm for the horizontal run and 15 cm for the vertical run. Then we'll see the advantages and disadvantages of batten wiring. Easy to installation is the advantage of batten wiring. Cheap in material cost. Appearance is better compared to the previous case. Customization is very easy. Less chances of leakage current. But the disadvantage is that they're not suitable for the outdoor wiring. Humidity, smoke, steam directly affects on the wire, and heavy wires are not recommended for the wiring scheme, and only suitable for the low voltage application purpose point of view. High risk of fire is also there, so this is the disadvantage. Then this is the picture of surface conduit. We are going to observe that there are 2 types of conduit used, which is non-metallic conduit, and this is the metallic conduit. So non-metallic conduit, for that purpose we are going to use the PVC, and for the metallic conduit we are going to rod. So conduit wiring diagram, for that purpose the material required as the conduit, metal conduit is there, non-metallic conduit is for that purpose we are going to the PVC pipe, and GI wire is used, screw is used, coupling, elbow, rigid stud, 2-hole straps, lock nuts. These are the different materials used for the conduit wiring. The procedure is that this kind of wiring is not easy to install. On the surface of the wall or ceiling, conduit pipe are attached with the help of 2-hole strap and base clip at regular certain distance. Some advantages and disadvantages of conduit wirings are the safest wiring system is there. Appearance is better compared to the previous all cases. No risk of fire or mechanical wear and tear. No risk of damage of the cable insulation. Safe from the humidity, smoke, steam. No risk of shock. Long lasting. The disadvantage is that the very expensive one, installation is not easy to customize in the future, and hard to detect the fault also. So this is one of the picture of concealed type of wiring. Here we cannot see the path through which wire run, only we see the point. Okay, here we are going to observe that no wiring is there, only we can see the point. Okay, so we'll see in the detail how this conceal is one of the type of conduit one. Same material is required as the material for the conduit one. Okay, but the visibility is not there. This is the benefit of concealed type of wiring. Then the procedure for the concealed wiring is that the properly named as the concealed conduit wiring. So it is very laborious to install. The layout of this wiring is done under the plaster of the wall of the building. Conduit pipes is to be buried of the plastic wall with the GI inside. So this is the picture of concealed wiring, how it look like, how this installation takes place. In some cases, concealed wiring conduit installation during the slab or wall designing or cement concrete work, we can provide this type of pipe through that slab. Then advantages of this conduit are same. The advantages and disadvantages which are used for the conduit one: safest wiring, no risk of fire, safe from the humidity, long lasting, but very expensive is the disadvantage. Installation is not easy and hard to detect the fault. These are some drawbacks. So this is the picture of wooden casing capping. In casing capping we may use the VIR or PVC wires. Enclosure is there. Casing capping joints are there. The procedure is same. The advantages and disadvantages of casing capping is that the cheap and easy to install, strong and durable wiring customized to be done, and but the disadvantage that there are some disadvantages like the very costly, not suitable for the weather, and high risk of fire is there. This is the picture of casing capping, how it look like, through which we can place or we can run the wire. Here this is the picture of this casing capping. So for preparing of this video I have referred these different websites. So if you like video, please share. Thank you. If any